Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling materials and getting a working LED tested. This saves time and prevents rework. First, cut a 6/8 cm base circle and mark its center, then trace a 1/1, 5 cm hole for the light. This ensures the beam is focused. Once done, prepare the cardboard tube as the tower, trimming height to your desired scale. Make sure the LED polarity is noted, positive to the resistor path, negative to the ground. These first steps lock your dimensions and electrical basic. Now you install the lighting and give the tower structure. Push the LED through the base hole and secure it with hot glue so the lens sits flush. Route the wires down the tube interior to keep things neat. Next, solder or twist a 220/470 ohm resistor onto the positive lead. Attach the coin cell in a simple holder so you can swap batteries. Once the light is reliable, wrap the tube with painted paper for the lighthouse texture and glue a balcony ring near the top. You complete the model by affixing a roof and optional acrylic dome for realism. These pieces hide wiring and protect the LED. Once assembled, test the light under normal conditions and observe for flicker. If everything is steady, seal joins with glue and add small ballast inside the base for stability. If the light flickers or won't turn on, check the battery contact pressure, verify resistor value, and reflow any cold solder joints. Those are the most common failures and the quickest fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.